So, Tarrant, how do we typically do an open pit mine plan?
Well, obviously every open pit's different, but there's a general process that we follow, and this is probably we'll dive into the detail of each of those in future podcasts. But if I was to sort of lay out the general process, firstly we get a resource model, so that's sort of the first step. Have a look at it. We apply some modification to it to enable it to be used for mine planning because there's different purposes. From there, we would gather the parameters, all the economic and technical parameters that determine the economics of the pit, and run a pit optimization to see what we could economically mine usually, and then we might go and put a design around that to see, because a pit optimization doesn't have ramps, doesn't consider access, and all these practical things. It's a mathematical process, so we go and make it practical, that we can put a design around it. We design where things are going to go, stockpiles, waste dumps, roads, etc. And then we schedule. So we figure out, once we figure it out, what we're mining, we figure out where we're going to mine it, where it's going to go to, or a waste. And then, depending on the purpose, you might go and add parts onto it. So what does that schedule mean for how much equipment that you require, how many people you need, how many explosives, how much fuel, and ultimately what is going to cost to be able to extract that material. So that's the typical flow of activities that go into an open pit mine plan.